This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jeff Martineau. Very nice, beautiful pool home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, with oversized garage and a shed for storing all your tools and gardening equipment. It is situated on almost 3/4 acre, 0.72 acres, with the backyard being fenced in. Currently there are no neighbors on the left side of the home nor any neighbors to the front or rear of the home, ensuring privacy. Picture yourself cooling off and enjoying your crystal clear screened-in pool, which is so refreshing on these sweltering, hot summer days. You'll find plenty of space poolside for barbecuing, entertaining, and relaxing with family and friends and enjoying the natural beauty and splendid Florida weather. The spacious lanai is enclosed with windows and screens which make it great for use year-round. Entering the home, you will see it is bright and airy and you will be impressed by the spacious family room. The large eat-in kitchen has lots of counter space for all your prep work and an abundance of cabinets for your storage needs. There is a good-sized dining room allowing for plenty of room for when guests arrive, and the French doors lead out to your awesome lanai. The master bedroom is large with walk-in closet, and the master bath has a jetted garden tub and separate shower. There are 2 nice-sized guest bedrooms which share the second bathroom with shower/tub combo. There is also a good-sized laundry room with laundry tub and plenty of cabinet space. This home is located in Rainbow Lakes Estates and has 2 playgrounds, Bonable Lake with a fishing pier, Tiger Lake with a boat ramp, exercise room, community center, basketball, and tennis court. Convenient to downtown Dunellon for antique shops, restaurants, and shopping, Ocala, Gainesville, Crystal River, Gulf of Mexico, and the crystal clear waters of Rainbow Springs State Park, where you can enjoy kayaking, swimming, canoeing, snorkeling, tubing, and picnicking. Come see this home before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.